Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. So Big Sur is out and I have to say, I know I'm an Apple fanboy, but I love it. The look and feel are great and I want to cover a couple of the changes that you will have noticed as you start working your way around the OS, namely Control Center and Notification Center. So those who use iOS and iPadOS will be familiar with the new Control Center format there. You swipe down from the top corner to get some quick functionality. Well, apart from the swiping, yet anyway, there is a similar look and feel to Control Center in macOS now. Click the new Control Center button, and we have some tiled options, and there are essentially three ways that we can interact with these. So firstly, if there is a toggle icon on there, then you can toggle that function on or off. So bye-bye do not disturb, Bluetooth, and AirDrop. And then just click them to toggle them back on again. Nice and easy. Now some of these tiles don't have a toggle button on them. So clicking these brings up a set of options instead. So keyboard brightness here, because I'm recording this on a laptop, allows me to adjust the brightness of the backlit keys. If I go back and into screen mirroring, this allows me to choose a device to mirror my screen to. And like most of these tiles, it also offers a quick way to get to the preferences setting for that particular function, which in this case is displays. I'll just close that with Command W. Okay, back in, and the third way of interacting is for those that have a small arrow to the right of the tile, and this brings up some extra functionality. So here on Do Not Disturb, more than just toggling it, I can select how long for. It could be an hour, until this evening, until tomorrow morning, or always on. And I can also get to the notifications preferences from here as well. Okay, let's look at some of these others. So Wi-Fi. I can get to other networks. So there's all the personal hotspots in my house, plus my two wireless networks I have here. And we still have extended functionality available here. If I click the button whilst pressing the Option key, I can get a lot more information relating to the SSID that I'm currently connected to. There is an option click available as well for Bluetooth. Okay, going back, and I'll click Bluetooth normally this time, and I can see the devices I've connected to in the past and any that I'm connected to now. I'm not connected to any of those devices at the moment. Those are all back in another office. Then AirDrop allows you to specify who can AirDrop files and documents to you. Okay, further down, there is a slider to adjust the brightness of your display. However, if I click the button just to the right of that, we have some further display options such as activating True Tone, toggling night shift off or on, and we can activate dark mode from here as well. I can connect to my iPad via Sidecar. And if I want to get to the display or Sidecar preferences, I can do that here too. Okay, next to sound, we'll forego the obvious slider here and just click the button to the right, which allows us to select an output device quickly. And then below that, if you have music played or paused, then you can quickly open it from here. There's the music app and something I was listening to before I recorded, so I'll close that. Come back into Control Center and I can play paused playback from here and skip to the next track. Okay, those are all the default buttons, but there are three more buttons at the time of release anyway that can be added to Control Center. So to set these, I'll open Spotlight and go to System Preferences. Then in here, it's Dock and Menu Bar. Now, if I scroll this left sidebar until I get to these three other modules, we have accessibility shortcuts. And on the right, we can see that we can add it to the Control Center as well as the menu bar. So I'll select that.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.